Today's recipe is a radish sambar. It is a one-pot sambar recipe and can be made quickly in a pressure cooker. Let's begin this easy and delicious recipe. First step is the prep work by chopping all the vegetables. So trim the ends and peel the skin of the radish and cut them into slightly thick round pieces. Now slice one onion, one tomato sliced, now take about half a cup of tur dal in a bowl, wash well and soak the dal for about half an hour so that it becomes easy to cook along with the radish. A 2-liter pressure cooker is most suitable. Add 2 teaspoon oil, 2 teaspoons of ghee. Now add half a spoon of jeera. Allow it to crackle. A bit of hing, dry red chilies, curry leaves. Now add the sliced onion. Saute until the onions turn translucent. Now add the sliced tomato. Quick saute. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of sambar powder, half a teaspoon of chilli powder. Mix everything well. Once the mixture comes together, add the well-soaked tur dal. Give it a good mix on a high flame. Now add the radish pieces. Mix everything well. Now add enough water so that the whole mixture is well soaked. Add salt as needed. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of tamarind water. Cover and cook for exactly 3 full whistles and not more than that. You can see that the dal and vegetables are all well cooked. The dal is not mashed too much, it is cooked just right. Now check for either salt or tamarind or masala and add as needed. Add a piece of jaggery, some coriander leaves. Add 2 garlic flakes and bring it to a quick boil, and a delicious sambar is ready. Do share, like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you.